Everyone, in this class we are going to study about cost centers and cost category. So first we will see the meaning. Okay, so cost means what? It is expenditure. Okay, so cost centers and cost category we are going to use to divide the expenditure, okay, among different heads. So for that sake we are going to use this cost centers and cost category. Okay, suppose if I am giving the salary, monthly salary, okay, of 60,000 among four persons, okay, means under me four employees are working. Okay, for them I am going to pay, okay, 60,000 all over monthly salary. So how much amount I am going to pay for each employee? Okay, so how we are going to distribute that we will see using this cost centers and cost category. Okay, so first we will see how to enable cost centers and cost category. So at this stage you have to press function F11. Okay, under this accounting features, okay, you have to enable cost center and cost category. Here you have to enable them. Okay, control A to accept. Okay, press the escape key and come to the main screen. Okay, so from here just you enter into the accounts information. Okay, under this you have to go to the cost categories to create the cost category. Okay, first we will create the cost category. Okay, go into the single head. Okay, here we will take the salary as the category. Okay, next now we will create the centers. Just a minute. Okay, so to display, so in order to view this category you just go into the display and you can see the, okay, the category what you have created. So if you want to alter it, you just go into the alter and, okay, you can do any alteration here. Okay, at this stage if you want to delete, press Alt D. Okay, so the dialog box will be displayed. So you can, if you press S, this entry will be deleted. Okay, now we will create the cost centers. Okay, now we will create cost centers. So category is what? Salary. Now we will enter the name of the employees for whom I am going to pay the salary. Ravi, Raju, okay, Geeta, Preetam. Okay, okay, now we have created the cost center. So to see the cost centers what all you have created, you can just go into the display. Okay, and here you can see them. Okay, so if you want, okay, so just go here and you can do and display it. So if you want to do the alteration, you just go here in the alter. Okay, you can do the alteration of any name. Okay, instead of Raju, if you want to write, okay, okay, Ram. Okay, like this you can do the alteration. Okay, and if you want to delete, just press Alt D here. Okay, if you press Alt D, the dialog box will be displayed like this. So if you press yes, see here, the entry will be deleted. See here, if I press yes, that entry will be deleted. Okay, so this is how you can create the cost category, cost centers, and how we have seen how to display it and how to alter and edit cost centers and cost category. Okay. Now we will see how to do the voucher entries for this cost centers and cost category. So in order to do the voucher entries, where you have to go? You have to go into the accounting vouchers. Okay. Just go into the accounting vouchers. Since we are giving the salary for the employees, so we are going to do the payment voucher here. Okay. Just do the payment voucher here. And here there is a salary account. Okay, under salary account, if it is not there at this stage, you have to press Alt C and you have to create this ledger. Okay, salary account. So how much salary I am paying? 60,000. Suppose if I am paying 60,000. Okay, see here it is taking me here. Can you see here? Cost allocation for salary account up to 60,000 debit. Okay, so category is what? Okay, salary. Just a minute. Salary account under, just a minute. Just a minute. Here accounting information ledger and the salary account. So in this salary account, it is indirect expense. Okay, affected, no. And here cost centers are applicable, yes. Okay, yes. Okay, under category we have to take here salary and here name of cost centers. Okay, so whatever we have entered here, this Geeta, for Geeta how much salary I am paying? Okay, 15,000. Next Preetham, means here what we are going to do, we are dividing our salary under these heads, under these centers. Okay, for Preetham, okay, if I am giving 20,000, next Ravi, okay, 25,000. Okay, so this is how I have divided the total salary amount among these centers. So these Geeta, Preetham, Ravi are what? These are the centers. These are cost centers where I am going to divide my expenditure. Okay. Cash Okay, since it is showing me here negative because I have not entered the amount in cash. Okay, that's why it is showing negative. So narration, employee salary, salary details. Okay, under the narration I have written this. Okay, so this is how you can make the voucher entry. Okay, so in order to view what all entries you have made, okay, just go into the display. In this you go into the statements of accounts. Okay, here you go into the cost center, here category summary. Okay, under this you can see here. Okay, so this is how you can display, you can view. Okay, you can view the reports of cost centers and cost category you have created. Okay, okay, thank you for watching my video.